Hello everyone, welcome all of you in Kernel group. In this video we are create our second web page. Our web page right now look like this. Refresh. Now we are create proper styling. So first we create one div class content. In this we give heading h2. Save. See. Yeah. Now we create sidebar. Many people use for sidebar creating div and give the name sidebar, but we are using here a side. It's a tag for creating sidebar. So in this we are create one list. Okay. Your name. So our list is created. We give heading sidebar, save and refresh. Yeah. So now we are working on styling. So we go in our CSS and start. Wrap. First we give it width 600 pixel. After that background color is blue. Save. Yeah. So now we are put our all content in the center. For that thing we are set margin auto. Save. Refresh. Now we set background for content div and aside tag. Background color brown and side background color yellow. Save. Refresh. Now we want to set our sidebar in the right position. So for that thing we are using, first we give width to our content, we give 400 pixel and float left. With this tag it happened. Yeah, it's done. But some content are appear in the bottom of content div. So for that thing we are using content aside and we assign height 400 pixel. Instead of using height in both cases, we are just make a group of both and assign height to both in just one code. It's done. Now the dots are in the content div. So now we are set these things. For setting these things we have many ways. Aside ul, and we give set list style none, and the dots is disappear. So now the second way is, first we delete this, set float left left 0, just simple 0. So our page are created. There is a content, there is a sidebar, and there is a heading of main. So when we are making it smaller window, the width are same. So now we are set this thing. For that we are using adjust the window 80%. And 70% of this 80%. The total windows, the size of wrap is 80% of total window, and content become 70% of that 80%. Here 80% become 100% and 70% become of 80%. It's little complicated, but when you start doing it, it's become easy. So yeah, just save it, refresh. Now we are 7. Ta-da! Now our window is adjusting according to the size of browser window. Spelling, refresh. Now if you want to set the width for sidebar, just set width 30%. Here and refresh. Maybe it's very big, 90 and 10%. Save it, refresh. Yeah. Okay. So now we are facing one more problem. Our content are become out of the sidebar, but our window adjustment are working properly. So we are removing this thing. For that we are using minimum width. Minimum width is 600 pixel, and that our content are very less, 20 and 80. Save it, refresh, come here, and yeah, it's fine. It's adjusting the window, and after become 600 pixel, it stop adjusting. Yeah, good. So this is our web page now. Now see, if I give background color to our wrapper blue and save it and refresh. Now wrapper is the main div. In that div there is a content and a side, but the background is only appear in the heading, not there, like there, because we give float to that div and that. So because we give float, so that's the reason both div go out of the flow from the wrapper class. For fixing this we are using footer. So it's a new tag for you, but it's very important. Footer, we give heading, this is my footer. Just save it and refresh. Now the both div are out of the flow from the wrapper, but footer is not. It's triggered to get wrapper class to footer. For making it more efficient we are using CSS. Come here, dot footer and clear both. Just refresh and it will give same result. So that's the one way you can remove this problem. The another way, if you don't want to use footer, just remove footer from there, from CSS, save here and save HTML file and refresh. Now the problem is appear. For removing this we go to our CSS file and use overflow hidden. Just save it and refresh. Now it's working fine. So our second web page are created. If we want to make it in center, just use simple, click here, it's in our wrapper, text line center, save. Oh, it's become everything in center. Let's remove it and we are assigned H1. Center, save, refresh. Now our content is in center. It will become color white. Save. So this is our second web page. In our next video we are go further and create more interesting thing. Thank you for watching.